Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ferdinand the Bull toys are probably one of the most beloved and iconic characters in children's literature and animation, and their toy counterparts are no exception, bringing joy and imaginative play to countless kids around the world. These charming toys capture the gentle spirit and unique personality of Ferdinand, the bull who would rather smell flowers than fight, making them perfect companions for story time, playtime, and creative adventures. Whether you're looking for a cuddly plush, a detailed action figure, or a fun playset, Ferdinand toys offer a wonderful way to engage with this timeless tale and encourage empathy and kindness in young minds. Number 5. Osmo Little Genius Early Math Kit for Fire Tablet. Introducing the Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit, designed for ages 3 to 5. It's a magical way to learn early math, phonics, and shapes. Watch as your child interacts with physical pieces and the Fire Tablet, bringing games to life. No Wi-Fi is needed for gameplay, making learning accessible anywhere. With engaging games, children will practice counting, recognize numbers, and explore shapes. They'll build towns and create colorful designs, all while having fun. This kit also helps develop early reading skills. Children can learn letter formation and phonics, expanding their vocabulary through interactive play. Beyond academics, it fosters critical thinking, problem-solving, and fine motor skills. It encourages imagination and social-emotional development in a stress-free environment. The box contains the Osmo Fire Tablet base, reflector, and all the physical pieces needed for 6 educational games. It's everything your child needs to start their learning adventure. What we like? This toy brings learning to life through interactive games and tablet integration. It's perfect for young children who are just starting their educational journey. If you are looking for a fun way to introduce early math and reading concepts, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This Ferdinand the Bull toy is incredibly soft and cuddly, perfect for little ones. The details on this Ferdinand the Bull are spot on, capturing the character's likeness beautifully. It's a good size for toddlers to hold and play with, not too big or too small. Number 4. Schleich Farm World Black Bull Toy Figurine. Discover the black bull, meticulously crafted with authentic detail to bring a lifelike farm animal into your home. It's designed to teach and inspire, introducing children to the world of animals with every touch. This bull is designed to spark safe and creative pretend play for your children. It can be enjoyed as a standalone toy or as part of a larger, engaging collection. Expand their playtime adventures. This figurine is a wonderful addition to the Schleich Farm World collection, perfect for gifting and integrating into a growing, modular play environment. Step into a world of farm animals and barnyard fun where friendships bloom between sheep, ducks, and horses. Let their imaginations run wild in this vibrant setting. We believe in creating worlds of durable toys that can be treasured for years to come. Our commitment to sustainability means these toys are built to last, fostering imagination without limits. What we like? This figurine offers incredibly realistic detail for immersive, screen-free imaginative play. It's ideal for children who love animals and enjoy creating their own farm stories. If you appreciate detailed, durable toys that encourage open-ended play, this is a fantastic addition to any collection. What people say. The toy is made of durable material and has held up well to rough play. The bull's horns are soft and safe for children, and the overall design is very appealing. It's a good size for little hands to hold and carry around. Number 3. Lambs and Ivy Baby Farm Playset. Discover the adorable baby farm playset, designed for little ones. It's a unique plush barn filled with fun for your baby. Inside, your child will find 4 charming, furry farm animals. They're perfect for little hands to explore and play with. The barn features 2 playful windows, ideal for engaging games of peekaboo. This helps with visual tracking and keeps your baby entertained. This playset is designed to support the development of fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It encourages exploration and learning through play. With a convenient soft handle, you can easily take the fun on the go. It's a great companion for travel or visits to grandma's house. Its aesthetic taupe design is pleasing to the eye, while the interactive elements promote object permanence. It's a toy that grows with your child. What we like? This playset features soft plush animals and a unique barn design that aids in developing fine motor skills. The peekaboo windows add an engaging element for babies and toddlers. If you need a safe, engaging toy for your little one to explore textures and practice early developmental skills, this is a wonderful option. What people say. The Ferdinand the Bull toys are incredibly soft and huggable, making them perfect for little ones. The design of Ferdinand the Bull toys is very cute and appealing, with vibrant colors that capture attention. This toy is well made and durable, able to withstand rough play from children. Number 2. Papo hand-painted Andalusian bull figurine 51050. Introducing the Papo Andalusian bull, a hand-painted figurine from our Farmyard Friends collection. This collectible is perfect for children aged 3 and up. Our figurines spark creativity, allowing children to craft their own adventures. They foster curiosity and bring new stories to life every day. This toy serves as a fun learning tool, helping children aged 3 and above explore the world around them. It offers an engaging way to discover various animals and characters. Experience true immersion with our ultra-realistic figurines. The lifelike postures and meticulous attention to detail make them incredibly lifelike. Each figure is meticulously hand-painted, ensuring a high level of detail and a beautiful finish. This dedication brings the character to life. Explore a vast universe of Papo creations, including wild and sea animals, dinosaurs, knights, and mythical creatures. There's a world of adventure waiting to be discovered. Proudly designed and developed in France, our creations aim to provide a high-quality medium for both play and learning. Enjoy authentic French craftsmanship. What we like. This figurine boasts ultra-realistic, hand-painted details, bringing a touch of French artistry to playtime. It's designed to spark imagination and support learning about the world. If you value highly detailed collectibles and want to inspire creative storytelling, this is an exceptional choice. What people say. The Ferdinand toy is a good size for little hands to hold and play with. This toy is well made and durable, with bright, engaging colors. The Ferdinand toy is soft and cuddly, making it a great companion for children. Number 1. Aurora Adorable Flopsie Toro Bull Stuffed Animal. Introducing the Aurora Adorable Flopsie Toro Bull, a plush toy designed for imaginative adventures. This lovable bull is ready to join your playtime fun. Measuring approximately 12 inches, this brown bull is crafted from the highest quality materials. Its unique design allows it to rest comfortably on its belly, perfect for interactive play. Made with premium, soft materials, this plush ensures that the fun never has to end. It's a great cuddling partner for kids and adults alike. This fluffy bull plush contains bean pellets for stability, making it a safe and enjoyable toy for all ages. It's perfect for birthdays or just because. Whether for a birthday or any occasion, this adorable bull stuffed animal is a fantastic gift. Its quality and charm make it a cherished companion. What we like. This plush bull is made from the highest quality materials, making it incredibly soft and cuddly. Its unique design allows it to lay flat, perfect for imaginative play adventures. If you're searching for a comforting companion or a gift that's suitable for all ages, this adorable stuffed animal is a perfect fit. What people say. The Ferdinand toy is soft and cuddly, perfect for little ones. It's a good size for toddlers to hold and play with. The details on the toy are well made, capturing Ferdinand's character accurately. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.